Hi, my name is Tyler Mikulak, and I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager at Formlabs. Today, I'll show you how to unbox and set up your Form 3L 3D printer. Inside the printer box, you'll find your Form 3L and its power cord. The smaller accessories box has a printed quick start guide, safety information, a Wi-Fi antenna, a USB cable, and a leveling disc for adjusting the printer's feet. Position the printer's packaging near your workspace, leaving enough room for two people to comfortably maneuver throughout the area. Due to its size and weight, do not move or reposition the printer on your own. Lift the outer cardboard box off of the lower carrier tray and remove the two foam inserts from the top of the printer. Working with a partner, use the provided carrying sling to lift the printer out of its carrier tray. Grab the sling handles and lift with your legs. Carefully move the printer onto its workspace. When you're done, tilt each side of the printer up slightly and remove the carrying sling. If you need to readjust the printer, use the carrying sling to pick the machine back up. Do not pick up the printer without the carrying sling. Open the printer cover and remove any additional wrapping and packaging from inside the printer. Looking at the rear of the unit, you'll find the power, USB, and Ethernet ports, as well as the connector for the Wi-Fi antenna. Screw the Wi-Fi antenna onto its connector. Plug the power cable into the wall socket and the printer. You'll now see the Formlabs logo and display light up as the system begins to load. You can upload prints to your printer using a wireless connection, Ethernet, or a USB input. For wireless connectivity, simply select Settings, Connectivity, Wi-Fi, then select your desired network on the touchscreen and enter the network password. If you'd prefer to connect to your network using a wired connection, simply plug your Ethernet cable into the back of the printer. To upload files without a network connection, use the provided USB cable to connect the Form 3L directly to your computer. Once you're connected to the printer, you'll be able to upload print jobs via Preform and track their progress using Dashboard. You may be required to update the Form 3L firmware before printing. To do so, open Preform and select File, Printers, then choose the printer you wish to update and select the Update Firmware icon on the right corner of the dialog box. Select the serial name of the printer you would like to update, then select Update Firmware. For further information on firmware updates, visit support.formlabs.com for a comprehensive walkthrough. From here, just insert your resin cartridges, resin tank, and build platform, set up your print file in Preform, and send it to the printer. Your first print will be on its way to your new Form 3L. I'm Tyler Mikulak, and thank you for choosing Formlabs.